You are welcomed by the USU software team. We're engaged in the development of specialized software. We're happy to present to your attention a program for a dry cleaner, laundry, or cleaning company. The program is launched with a shortcut on your desktop. Then a login window appears. Each user works under an individual login, which is password protected. Also, each employee can have individual access rights to see only the information that is within their authority area. Individual authority can be configured for operators and the head of the company. We will enter the program under the main role to see all the functionality. First of all, our program allows you to build up a single database of your clients. To do this, we will enter the counterparties module. The very concept of counterparties means that they will be both your clients and service providers in one place. And if necessary, you can easily use the filter to display only a certain group of counterparties. You can easily find the necessary client by the first letters of his or her name. Also, please note that the work with clients is built on the principle of CRM, Customer Relationship Management System. You can mark for each client all the work done and planned. This helps not to forget about anyone, because the program displays the work plan for any day, both for a particular employee and for the entire organization as a whole. The program is set up individually for the needs of each customer, therefore all reports are displayed with your company requisite details and logo. All contracts are registered in this accounting system, but at the same time, you can accept single orders from those customers with whom the contract was not concluded. When adding a contract, you can specify which price list is used to calculate the price for this customer. The system supports an unlimited number of price lists. In addition, our experts can configure the program to automatically fill in the contract in the format of Microsoft Word. Now let's move on to the most important thing: order registration. To do this, go to the Orders module. We can see that first the data search appears. Since over the years you will accumulate a lot of orders, the program allows you to display only the required ones using the search. You can find the required orders by the date of receipt or delivery, unique number, as well as by the name of the customer or the employee who has entered it into the system. If you do not specify any search criteria, all data will be displayed. The test database is currently empty. To add a new order, right-click the mouse and select the Add command. Using the category field, you can classify orders by type of work. Using the status field, you can control the stage of order execution. You need to specify dates of order acceptance, expected delivery, and payment. The customer is selected from a single counterparty database. Adding a new customer here once, we get the opportunity to simply select him or her in each new order. After that, you just choose the services provided from the price list, which you can set up to the needs of your company. Each product can have information about its unique number, effects, price, and wear-out percent. We can add any number of accepted products, and the program will automatically calculate the amount to be paid. If a customer makes a prepayment, it is recorded in the Payments tab. You can see the date for each order. Now you can print the receipt, which has a unique barcode. Your employees can work with or without a barcode scanner. Please note that on the part of the receipt that is issued to the customer, you can print the terms under which your organization provides dry cleaning services. You can see the history of order execution with an accuracy of seconds. And on the tab Work with Order, you can make an order distribution by employees to calculate piece work salary. The program also has a fully featured warehouse accounting. You can count washing and cleaning materials. They can be received, reported, and written off from the department. You can also always see the actual balance of goods on any date. Email and SMS can be sent directly from the program. You can congratulate your regular customers on their birthdays or holidays, inform about various promotions and discounts, as well as notify about the readiness of orders. The head of the company has a whole set of management reporting at his or her disposal. First of all, it concerns financial resources. Company income can be analyzed in terms of services provided to understand what is more popular, and vice versa, what services should be made more attractive so that they too could be actively bought. It is also possible to generate a report on wages paid to identify the best employees. There is a report that shows the customers who use your services more than others. First, those who spend the most money in your organization, and then in descending order. Based on this report, you can introduce a discount system and give reductions in price. The marketing report shows how much your advertising is paying off and how much money you receive from each source. There are also many other useful reports to help any manager to achieve greater success in the company's business. We have shown you only a small part of all the features available in the program. You can find more information on our official website, useusoft.com. We work with organizations around the world. Call or write. Find out how we can automate your organization. See you next time.